Good morning. This is Mr. Sala, and I'm here to relay some important information for honors biology, physics, and the active physics students. Today is Monday, August 31st. First thing you're going to want to do is check your grades and see if there's any missing assignments. You need to submit that syllabus Google form by Wednesday, or I'll be calling those that haven't done so. Any other missing work, you have to until Wednesday in order to receive credit for that. Moving forward, today's assignment, you're going to be working with the scientific method, for which you got some information on Wednesday through the PowerPoint and my first YouTube clip on that. So you're going to want to review that in order to complete today's assignment. The first thing I do want to show you is notes. So again, Wednesday you should have completed notes on in a Google Doc relating to the scientific method. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. I created a Google Doc on notes just a few minutes ago, which obviously. Okay, so I found the notes. So again, you got one or two ways that you can create notes. Whenever I refer to you taking notes, it should be in a Google Doc of which you can complete the notes in one of two ways. Again, if you're just used to typing things in, you just open a Google Docs and keep a running note doc as we go. Again, a couple important things to have are the date and say what the topic is. I will collect these every 2 to 3 weeks. And again, if you're in physics or active physics, you would do the same thing, except title yours accordingly. Right? So the Google Docs, just continuing to get the important information, because again, this will be an assignment that I will collect every couple weeks. You'll just share it with me. Another thing you can do if you're not versed in typing as well as others, which again, I am in that boat, is you have this Cami app, which is going to allow you to import docs, PDFs, which then you can manipulate on your own. So here is that document, the notes doc here. And again, you've got the writing tool that you can use right here. And then you can even choose the width or how thick your strokes are. And again, if you like to write this way, then you can just add this and keep adding your notes to it. So again, this is Cami, and this will work the same way with today's assignment, where you'll open that PDF with Cami, and it'll allow you to write your answers, and then you'll share that with me that way. So you're going to go ahead and watch the YouTube clip, review your notes from Wednesday on the scientific method, and then complete the PDF on the famous examples of the scientific method using, again, Cami, which is this app here that I showed you. Another note is your first assessment for all three of these classes will be on Friday through Teacher Ease, and then I will be giving a weekly quiz on Fridays. Hopefully it's just these next 5 weeks until we can return in October. Again, if you have any questions, you have to email me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please note that, say, your normal class time, I will respond to those emails first. but I will get back to all emails as soon as possible. Another thing to keep in mind is I will be opening up and inviting each class to a Google Meet once or twice a week, so that if you have any questions and you want to do it in a group format or see each other's faces, we can do that. I can, if multiple people are looking for clarification on certain topics, that would be a better forum for me to do that, and you would just have to accept and participate in the Google Meet that way. But again, I'm going to do that at least twice a week for each of the content sections. So I'll have one for biology, one for physics, and one for the first year college experience. Again, review your assignment from Wednesday on the scientific method, and then you're going to answer those questions on famous experiments, opening that PDF through Kami, and then you submit it to me in Classroom. And again, the due date for that is Wednesday. And then tomorrow would be breaking off, obviously, honors bio, and then physics will get going with those topics. Have a good day. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Goodbye.